Tapos sabi niya, ano oras ko pa? Sabi mo, mga 1, ganyan. Anyari sa hands.
Prizes in the form of cash, scholarships, and luxury goods from Mega. With us here today, we have our permanent judge, Abel Bacudio, and of course, we have our guest judge for today to help us make decisions, Miss Tourism International, Justin Gabion. So, okay, designers, let's talk. Let's start with Christine.
Hindi ko alam kung
Ayan.
bibenta yan sa market ng boardwalk.
Yeah.
Pero nandun yung gusto mong ipalabas, pero parang hindi magandang pagkagawa.
I know your concept is to distract and as for plus size models. But yun nga, medyo distracting siya.
I actually like your design, Christine. It's just that I think it's not flattering to the plus size.
Okay.
Because it's very wide, the way you designed it, with all these panels and the drapes. So for plus size, I think the less is really more.
First, syempre nasad ako na hindi masyadong maganda yung comments nila. Like, magulo raw, ganyan, hindi daw for plus size. So sabi ko, parang minsan talaga, it's not about kung ano yung sinasabi sa'yo ng ibang tao. It's about how you make your client happy.
Okay, thank you. Board?
Ang pointy ng model